After the recent clashes between India and Chinese troops along the contested line of actual control last week, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh addressed the Parliament on Tuesday on the India-China LAC clash in Arunachal. Ahead of the start of the session, the Defence Minister held a high-level meeting with Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan, Army Chief General Manoj Pandey and other top officials to discuss the security situation. PLA troops attempted to unilaterally change the status quo by encroaching on the line of actual control in the Yangtze area of Tawang sector, said Singh. Our army faced this attempt of China with firmness. A scuffle ensued in this face-off. The Indian army bravely prevented the PLA from encroaching on our territory and forced them to withdraw to their posts. Some soldiers from both the sides were injured in the skirmish, he added. India on Tuesday condemned the Organization of Islamic Cooperation's Secretary General Hussain Brahmin Taha's visit to Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir and his comment during the visit to Pakistan, Ministry of External Affairs said in a statement. We strongly condemn the visit of the OIC General Secretary to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and his comments on Jammu and Kashmir during his visit to Pakistan. Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Arindam Bagchi replied to the media queries regarding Taha's visit. Regarding OIC, Bagchi said that the organization has lost its credibility by taking a blatantly communal, partisan and factually incorrect approach to issues. He also said that OIC's Secretary General has become a mouthpiece of Pakistan, according to the statement. Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel on Tuesday took charge of his office in Gujarat's Gandhinagar. Patel had taken oath on Monday along with his 16 other ministers and later allocated portfolios to them after registering a landslide victory in the recently held state elections by winning 156 out of the 182 seats. Patel was administered oath as the 18th Chief Minister of Gujarat by Governor Acharya Devvrat at a function which was held at the helipad ground inside the new Secretariat complex in the state capital at 2 p.m. on 12 December. Bharatiya Janata Party had recorded a historic lead and 7th consecutive victory in the recently concluded elections of the Gujarat Assembly. A 5-year-old girl from Raichur district in Karnataka was confirmed to be infected with the Zika virus on Monday, that is 12 December, said State Health Minister K. Sudhakar. This is the first confirmed case of the disease in the southern state. The Health Minister added that the government was taking all the precautionary measures. Minister Sudhakar said, "This is the first case in the state and the government is monitoring the situation very carefully. Our department is well prepared to handle it. We have got a lab report from Pune about the confirmed case of Zika virus. On December 5th, it was processed and reported on December 8th. 3 specimens were sent out, of which 2 were negative and 1 was positive, which is a 5-year-old girl. We are keeping a vigil," Sudhakar said in response to a question on the Zika virus case in Raichur.